Is the Nintendo Switch 2 finally showing its true colors? Leaked images of the new JoyCon controllers have surfaced, and they reveal some exciting, yet unexpected changes. Let's dive into what these images tell us about the next-generation Nintendo Switch. The excitement around the Nintendo Switch 2 is building, especially with the recent leaks surrounding its JoyCon controllers. These images, first appearing on Chinese social media before making their way to Reddit, have sparked a lot of curiosity. While we don't have official confirmation yet, these leaked photos give us a sneak peek into what might be coming with Nintendo's next console. Today, we're going to break down everything we know so far, focusing on the Joy-Cons and the changes they bring. Let's start with the design. If you've been a fan of the classic bright red and blue Joy-Con colors, you might be in for a surprise. The leaked photos show that the new Joy-Cons are mostly black, giving them a much more mature and sleek look. The familiar blue color doesn't disappear entirely, though. You'll notice it around the rail part, but only when the Joy-Con is detached from the console. It's a subtle change, but one that could reflect a shift in Nintendo's approach to the console's overall style. More polished, less playful. Next, let's talk about functionality. The left Joy-Con in the images shows a notable upgrade, especially if you've ever played games like Mario Kart using just one Joy-Con turned sideways. The SL and SR buttons on the rail are now much larger, making them easier to use and more comfortable for those one-handed gaming sessions. This small but important change could greatly improve the gaming experience for players who prefer using the Joy-Con in this mode, which is a key feature for Nintendo's unique gaming style. One of the biggest changes revealed by the leaks is how the Joy-Cons will attach to the console. Instead of the current sliding mechanism, which we've all grown accustomed to, these new Joy-Cons appear to use magnets. This means that rather than snapping the Joy-Cons into place, they will now magnetically attach to the console. It's a simple but potentially game-changing shift. There's also a new button next to the ZR trigger. This button is likely for detaching the controller, making it easier to remove the Joy-Con from the console when needed. While we don't know the full extent of how this new system will work, the magnetic attachment could make connecting and disconnecting the Joy-Cons quicker and more seamless. Now, some might question the legitimacy of these leaked images. But if you take a closer look, you'll see several details that suggest these photos are not just mock-ups. The images show trademark stamps, serial numbers, and other manufacturing marks that are typical on real Nintendo products. These details suggest that what we're seeing might indeed be the real deal, rather than fan-made concepts or rough prototypes. It adds a layer of credibility to the leaks, even though nothing is officially confirmed yet. But that's not all. Along with these Joy-Con images, other leaks have surfaced, giving us even more insight into the upcoming Switch 2. There have been reports of the Switch 2's motherboard being photographed, and some have even mentioned demo units circulating within certain circles. While it's still too early to jump to conclusions, these leaks paint a picture of a console that's nearing completion. However, as exciting as this information is, we must remember that leaks can sometimes be unreliable. As much as these leaks are intriguing, we should still approach them with caution. Nothing is confirmed until Nintendo makes an official announcement. That said, the details from these leaks seem to align with earlier rumors, which add some weight to their authenticity. Until we hear from Nintendo directly, we can only speculate, but it's clear that the Switch 2 is shaping up to be a major step forward in gaming.